Hello beautiful people of the internet. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna walk you through on how you can utilize MCP, short for Model Context Protocol, a concept initially I think introduced by Anthropic, the makers of Claude, to automate your social media posting vis-a-vis Claude. So you can actually use Claude, the product, the chat interface, to be able to post to all kinds of social media platforms vis-a-vis MCP. Now, for us to get started, we need a couple of things. First of all, we need access to an MCP server. For that purpose, I'm gonna demonstrate it using Genviral. That is genviral.io/MCP. I'm gonna link to it in the description of this video as well. Now, very important to mention is that you need to be logged into Genviral and have your accounts that you want to post to connected, because social media platforms require that you authenticate your account with the platform that you want to use to post to that platform. Now, the way you do it is once you're logged into Genviral, you click here on schedule and then you click on manage accounts. And then from here, you can connect all kinds of accounts. I'm now at the max, so I can't connect anymore, but you would have the option here for you to be able to connect more accounts. Now, the next step for us to do is to add the MCP server. And the way we do it is by going to genviral.io/MCP, and then we can take this server link here. So I'm gonna copy this one real quick. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into Claude and click on connectors. I've Genviral already created, so let me just show you how to do it. And you do it by going on add connector and then add custom connector. And then you give it a name. So in this case, Genviral, and you add the URL. You click on continue, you accept all the things that Claude asks you to accept, and then that's that. Now, two more things that are very important to mention here. First of all, you need to enable certain things with the connectors. So if I just go here on manage connectors and I click on Genviral, make sure that you enable all of these here, such as, for example, being able to upload media, because otherwise it will not be able to upload the videos or images that you try to post to. The other thing is that, and I'm here in an older chat, is that you need to add our Cloudflare storage to the allow list of Claude. That technically means that Claude or the Claude chat is able to upload content to this CDN, i.e. Cloudflare. So the way you do it is just copy this one here. Then you go into your settings, click here on settings, then capabilities. You scroll all the way down here to network access, make sure all of that is enabled. And then you add the URL here and click on add. And that's how you can then upload media to the thing. Now, the way I want to do it is, let me just walk you through the previous post that I was doing so that you see it all end to end. So let me copy and paste this here and make sure I attach the media. In this case, this one. Let me just change the time to 6 p.m. And now go ahead and post it. And through the power of editing, I'll be right back to show you what Claude did. All right, and we are back. And as we can see, Claude basically did its whole thing in one go. So that's the amazing thing about MCP and about doing this with Claude. It's really, really good at debugging things if it finds errors and everything. So just to walk you through, it took the image, then it came up with the post. Here's the post for us to see. So we could also ask Claude to change it if we're unhappy with it. It also found a few issues with the data format and everything. And ultimately said, okay, the post was now scheduled. And let's just quickly confirm this and go into our schedule here. And then we go into the next week. And now if we scroll down, here we have the post. If we wanted to edit it, we can then also make other edits. So as you can see here, everything is properly formatted. We can reschedule it at another time. Again, it's all doable within Genviral or within Claude, whatever your heart desires. This is just one permutation. So as you can also see here by the logos, Genviral allows you to schedule and post content to all kinds of social media platforms. So as you can see here, 10 are available. Threads and a bunch of others will be added soon as well. So everywhere that you want to be, Genviral can also allow you to post to and consequently automate or streamline your social media marketing. And so with that being said, that is the video. If you guys have any questions about how to use this, how to set it up, please let me know in the comment section. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.